All right. Well, for now, I think we just have one person. Ruthwick, how are you? You can go ahead and unmute if you want, since you're the only person.
I'm good.
Excellent. Excellent. So you want to learn how to build a text game?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to start by playing one. What do you say?
Sure.
Okay, so you can see my screen, right?
Okay.
Okay, so you are standing in a submarine yard looking for the famous Enigma code machine. What are we going to do? Go to a nearby warehouse or go to the deck of the submarine floating nearby?
Which one?
Go to a nearby warehouse.
Okay, we're going to go to the warehouse. We sneak inside the warehouse. We see a door to the south and a large box in the middle of the floor. What are we going to do?
Get into the box.
Have you played this before?
No.
You crawl inside the box and wait. Suddenly, you feel the box being picked up and carried inside the wharf. What are we going to do?
Wait patiently inside the box.
I swear you've played this before. Okay. We've waited for an hour. We're going to wait for 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. Oh, we can leave. Okay, which way are we going to go?
Head forward.
All right, we go forward. Move forward into the torpedo room. 2 sailors grab you. As soon as they realize you're not a member of the crew, they force you into a torpedo tube. This is bad. You hear the door start to open and water rushes in. You do not survive the trip to... Oh, that's a bummer. You did really good, though. And here, let's see. If you go to the submarine, you can jump off. Doesn't matter where you go. You end up in the water. You made all the right choices, though, up until that last one. So you go to the warehouse. You go through the doorway again. You're out in the water, so this is bad. You go to the warehouse, get in the box, wait in the box. Wait. Leave the box. If we go aft, then we get caught. We see the device, but how are we going to get off the boat? Are we going to signal with the device or shoot your way out? I like the answer to this. A gunfight on a submerged submarine is a very poor choice. And then, of course, when we finally signal with the device, so we go to the warehouse. Oh, good. It's great to actually see you. I'm glad, since it's a small group, it's nice to be able to see you. What's your name?
Ruthwick.
Ruthwick is your name. Okay, excellent. Well, nice to meet you. I'm Mr. Andy. So we're going to get in the box. We're going to wait in the box. We have to wait for 5 hours. We leave the box. We head aft. We signal with the device. And we give the machine to the enemy, or to our friends, and we win the game. I'm more excited than you are about this. Okay, so that's pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
And we can do plenty of others, but here's the neat thing. When you look at this here, holy cow, what are you looking at here?
A lot of stuff.
A lot of stuff. That would be the technical answer. And this is actually the game. So that game we just played is this thing here. And you see we have these little things. They call them passages, or I call them nodes. And each of these nodes is a decision. And then they can point to other nodes. And here's the really cool thing, right? It's super easy to use this to build like fancy games that can do lots of crazy stuff. Does that sound like fun?
Yeah.
You want to make one? We'll make one together.
Okay.
Okay. Now, if you want to, how about this time we'll do it together, but I'll give you there's a link, and I'll give you another link to where you can do this on your own computer for free. But for now, we'll just do it together. Sound like fun?
Okay.
All right, so I'm going to go back to my place. This is called Twinery, which is a really, really neat, it's a tool on a website. And you can totally do it for free. You don't have to buy anything. You don't have to install anything. So I'm going to build a new story here. What kind of story are we going to make? What do you want it to be about? What is this title?
A spy mission, I guess.
Oh, good. I like it. Spy mission. All right. So when we build our spy mission, it starts with just this one empty passage. And of course, we want to do something. If we double click, hey, we can edit that. And I'm going to change this thing. This is the title of the passage. I'm going to change it to start because that's going to be useful to use. Now, okay, we need imagination here. Set the stage. What's happening? So we're on a spy mission. What do we need to say to the user?
You're following an escaped criminal, and you find him in a warehouse.
Good idea. Okay, so this would work, right? We could take this, and if I hit that Xbox, get it, Xbox, playing games, then I could hit the play button, and it will play this game. It is not the most exciting game I've ever played so far, but we'll fix that. Now, what we need is choices, right? So now let's edit this again, and what are the choices that we could make?
Go into the warehouse or call for help.
Good choices. Okay, now watch what happens. You see I put the little double square braces around these guys?
Yeah.
That's a special code, and you watch when I close this, it'll do something special and cool. Ooh, what did it do?
It made two like answers.
Yeah, so each of these is now a node I could mess with. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Now, the thing is, they're going to be a little hard to work with. So I'm going to change them up a bit. I'm going to go back here, and actually, that's an awkward title. So why don't we do this? We'll just call it warehouse.
Yeah.
So that little arrow means tell the user this stuff. That's what they can click on, but then it's going to go to a node called that. That's a lot easier to work with, yeah? And we'll do the same thing. What do you want to call this? Help?
Yeah.
Okay. And so now I've got some bonus ones here, but these guys don't really mean anything, so I'll just get rid of them. Delete that, and we'll delete that. Yeah. Okay, so now do you see how much fun could we have from here?
Yeah.
Okay, so what should we do?
If you call for help,
Uh-huh.
the police come.
Okay, let's write that. Okay, so you call for help and the police come.